Once again, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be putting us through how we can make our shampoo at home. Do it yourself. You can make your shampoo at home. I will make it as simple as possible for you, and a very nice, well-scented shampoo. This is what we are going to get at the end of our production. Just let's go into it and then look at it. At this time, of course, you can put the scent of your fragrance to your taste. And then what else do you do? Let's get to it. How do they get it? How did we arrive at that? It's very simple. Once again, you're welcome. I say big thank you. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, you're in the right place. Just sit back and watch to the end. You will so much enjoy it. And then for those of my returning subscribers, I say thanks so much for all your time you spend watching my video, for sharing it, for liking it. As you like it, it makes me proud, it makes me happy, it makes me loved. Thanks so much for all the likes. Thank you for those ones that comment, asking one question or the other. I will be there to always answer you. Be free to ask your question and I will attend to you. So what do we need? We need the tablet of soap. About 100 grams is enough. Then we need the grater, and then to grate it. You can go without grater. You can use ordinary knife. What is important is that the soap is chopped into bits, And what is the essence of cutting it into bits? It's just for it to be able to melt quickly. Okay, so what you see me doing is that I'm grating it, trying to make it to be in bits so that it will be easier for us to do what we want to do. And lo and behold, it is already well grated. And then what you see me do is I pour it into warm water. I made my water to be warm. It's a bit warm, and then just to hasten the melting of the soap. Okay, just to melt it easily. So at this time, you just mix it together. There's no amount of your mixing that can help now. It's just to break at least those ones that were clumped together again, just to break them down so that the water can penetrate very well. I was feeling whether the water is too hot or warm. It's just moderate, just lukewarm. You can use ordinary water because it's left for some hours. So at this time, you cover it and leave it for hours. You check it after 3-4 hours. Check it and see the performance of it, and look at it. Look at how it came out. Very thick already. Looking so nice. And then at this time is your choice, though the soap is already well scented before. But if you still decide to want to put fragrance, good, just to make it nice on you when you use it. So the choice is yours. It's so simple to do. I just want to tell you that I have an ebook where I have a lot of recipes for you to learn there at the comfort of your home, at your leisure time. Just open it, go through it, and choose any of the recipe you want to do. Apart from the shampoo, there are other many things you can learn, and it's just a token. It's a token. Many of my recipes there are very simple. They are what you can learn on your own. And if you need to reach me, that's my number on the screen. Then what is the next thing for us to do? We're going to pack it into our bottle. Put it in your bottle, and lo and behold, your shampoo is ready. Because this quantity is not going to be for long, so I did not put any preservative. But if you want to produce much, you can then add your preservative. Okay, so simple. Have you liked it? Have you subscribed? Why not? Do that if you're yet to subscribe. and share it. You don't have to use this my own top, this my own cover. The choice is yours. You can buy the proper cover. You can go without this kind of spray. You can just use an ordinary bottle. Okay, so the choice is yours. You don't have to use this my own cover. Use the one that is comfortable for you. Okay, I'm only using this one for tutorial, just demonstration. Okay, if you're here to like it, why? Like it, subscribe and share it. Let me read from you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Our shampoo is ready. Our shampoo is ready. Okay, keep producing, keep making progress. God bless you. You can use this type of cover. See you in my next video. Bye.